Hiya, kiddos. Welcome back to Grandpa Ken's classes and lessons. Today we're going to do phonics. The class, well, they weren't getting it either, so we're just going to start right away. Phonics, by the way, is the way letters sound, okay? How they sound. For example, let's say A. Now, a soft A would be like map, or back, or cat, or ham, or lab. Okay, that's the short. The A long sound is like rake, or brave, face, game, play, rain. See? Okay? B is balloon, banana, bear. Huh? See? B. And then C. We have a hard sound. C is cake, carrots, cat, cookie. I love cookie and carrots. Huh? And then we have a soft C, which is ceiling, celery, scent. See? Yeah, it's soft. It doesn't jump out at you as much. And then we have D, like day, dinosaur. Isn't that a neat dinosaur? Dog, door. That's D. That's how they sound. Duh, D. Got it, kiddos? See, it's simple. Just keep listening and trying and practicing.